Another union has rejected the government's 16% wage offer. Members of the Nurses Association of Jamaica, NAJ, voted today at an emergency meeting at the NAJ's headquarters. The details in this report.
Those in favour of us rejecting the offer and continuing with the negotiation, put up your hand.
The hands raised said it all. The nurses declined the government's latest wage offer. The negotiations have been ongoing, but on Friday, a letter from the Ministry of Finance indicated that the government's position remains. This has not gone down well with the Nurses Association of Jamaica.
The feeling that we are getting is that they are saying, take it or leave it. This is the decision we have made for you. And so we have recognized that the paternalistic attitude of the government that we are dealing with is that they do not give you an opportunity to fully have discussion with them and to come up with any meaningful agreement that will benefit the nurses.
The nurses are being offered a 16% increase over 4 years, 5% in year 1, 2% in year 2, 4% in year 3, and 5% in year 4. NAJ President Carmen Johnson insists the offer is inadequate. The nurses have questioned whether they're being undermined by the government.
I think the government is undermining us, and I think the government just does not place any value on nursing in Jamaica or on nurses. And when they seek to say that nurses have option, they are just saying you can go if you want to go, without taking into consideration the health of the populace that we swear to serve.
The NAJ is expected to communicate in writing its position to the Ministry of Finance later this week before deciding the next move. And though it's not clear whether the nurses will take industrial action, NAJ President says if the wage offer is not settled, its impact could be massive.
The health gain that we have made over the years, whether or not they want to concede to it, is that our nurses were the major driving factors in achieving those gains. And when we allow our experienced nurses to leave the country, we are on a path where if we are not careful, what we had already achieved, we will no longer seek to achieve those and will be costing more to gain the health of the populace or to maintain health in Jamaica.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.